Hey everyone, another video in the series on the LG washer dryer. This time, a popular question I've had is how to stop it smelling, or the machine smelling after washing. I'm going to run through all the things you can do to stop that nice and easily. So I've got this wash, and this actually, it's on at the moment. This is just finished, and this is the first tip, a drying cycle. Okay, so the actual machine, if you look in here, this at the end of a drying cycle, and this is where you're probably going to get the problems with smell. That will actually smell if it's wet after a normal wash cycle, but after a drying cycle, because of the steam cleaning technology used, it actually dries this out and actually stops mold. Now I've got a bit lazy and I didn't know all of these things before, so mine has got a little bit of mold. The other thing you can do is actually get yourself black mold remover spray, get in to this, the seal, right? Don't let that seal get moldy. Okay, so you can be active about that. Get a little bit of spray after the wash. Don't wash it with that, but do that. And then another tip for you as well, every couple of cycles, well, not every, maybe every 20, 30 is recommended, do the tub clean. Now if I hold TCL or hold the tub clean button, TCL will pop up. LG website recommends you use this with a special washing machine cleaner. Now I've got these tablets here that you can use that are for a washing machine, or if you want to save money, you can simply do it with half a capful of white vinegar, as I have done in the past. And the tub clean then will get a thorough deep clean of your machine, and the cycle is designed for it. You run it on empty, but it will help. And then the final tip you can do is just to leave the door open immediately after washes, to let that ring, the seal there, just dry out a bit and get some air in it, because this does really get wet and moldy if you leave it shut. You want to keep it open as soon as you can and leave it open for maybe an hour or so to let it dry out, depending on your conditions and your local climate, how hot it is in your house, etc. If you do all of those things, you won't have a smell. Remember, even if you don't have much to dry, I find it hard, just run it on a dry cycle every now and then, and that will help big time. If you found it helpful, give us a like. And I've got other videos on using the LG washer dryer combo, so check those out now. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.